Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add calendar back to iPhone home screen. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin this process, press and hold any empty space on your iPhone's home screen. Next, go ahead and tap on the plus button located in the top right corner of the screen. In this list of available widgets, locate the calendar option and tap on it. Now, if you have the choice of either selecting the mini number date widget or the landscape widget that displays the entire calendar, for this demonstration, let's choose the landscape option as it provides a better view. The selected widget will be automatically added to your home screen. You can adjust the widget's position by holding and dragging it to your preferred position or location. To finalize its placement, tap on any empty space on your empty screen or home screen. If you wish to remove the widget, simply hold it and then tap on Remove Widget, or use the mini minus button. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.